tutorial for the sword that I made in my last video. These are all the things that you will need. Take one of this and just glue the tip onto it and wrap it all the way from the tip all the way to the end. So this is how it's supposed to look. You will need one more of this. We're done making two of these. We will sandwich the black one in between the white ones. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the other one as well. Attach both of these together. For extra strength, I cut off a piece of the smaller dowel and I'm gonna glue it right in the middle. Now we will take our two barbecue dowels, 4 inches, glue this part together. Now we're gonna wrap everything with the pipe cleaner. Here, try to be as clean as possible. This is how it will look after you're finished wrapping all with the pipe cleaner. So now we're gonna take two of the dowels, glue them together, and wrap the pipe cleaner all the way. So now that we have two of these, we're gonna put one underneath our sword and one on top, and handle is 8.5. We're gonna glue this together. I'm gonna glue these together on both sides. I just made a little circle from the pipe cleaner and we're gonna put it on the side of the handle. And we're gonna do all the way until here and then do the other side as well. When you reach the middle, just crisscross like that. I'm also covering the top of the handle. This is how our sword is looking so far. Now you can go ahead and decorate it however you want, but I will also show you how I made the flowers and the chain thing that was wrapped around. This is the first flower that we're gonna make. For this, you will need 5 of the black pipe cleaners. We're gonna fold it in half. Go up and make these petal things. We're gonna like that. We're gonna make 3 of those on each side. So 1, 2, and 3. Do the same thing on this side as well. We pinch up, we pinch it down. So that's our 1. We do it 2 more times. Pinch up, pinch down, pinch up, pinch down. Same thing on this side as well. We have to make 5 of this. 10 of the white pipe cleaners. We'll take 2 at a time. And we have to cut 4 inches, like 4, 4, and 4. So we will need 6 for 1 petal. I'm gonna leave this on the side. I'm gonna cut all of these as well. 1 petal and 6 of these. You have to bend all of them like this. We take our white, we put it in these hinges that we made, and we're gonna pinch it. We're gonna pinch all of these together like this, and then we wrap the black around. Now that we have 5 of these petals, I'm gonna take a lighter and I'm gonna just burn the excess so it's easier for us to glue. I'm also gonna cut off the excess metal wire. You can glue these petals together. For the second flower, we're gonna take our one white pipe cleaner and wrap it around a very thin paintbrush that I'm using. So you have this coil thing and you stretch it out. Now we're gonna take another one, bend it in half, cut it other one. So you will need 3. Again, bend them in half. So you will need 15 of these and 5 of this. Bend it in half and take 3 of these. So we're gonna pinch and twist the top one. We bring it one on this side, one on this side to wrap it around and make 5 eyeshadow to just color in the tip. Gonna glue all the petals together. Now for the chain to wrap around the sword, just take one pipe cleaner and cut small pieces. And then take one good pipe cleaner . Now we're going to decorate our sword. I also made these small ones that we're gonna glue here. I have glued all the flowers and it is all done. I also attached the ribbon here. But yeah, that's all. That's how I made my sword, and I hope you guys liked it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will try to answer them all. But thank you for watching.